Metal is one of the manufacturers and exporters of pipeline products in China and is capable of providing the best quality pipes, tubes, fittings, flanges, and related accessories. Outlet is a connecting piece for branching pipes on the pipeline. It is commonly classified as butt weld, socket weld, threaded outlets, etc., usually made by forging or casting. It has high strength and good sealing. The design of weldolet allows the connection of main and branch pipes by butt welding, which can withstand high pressure and temperature to ensure the safe operation of the pipeline system. Widely used in industrial fields such as petroleum, chemical engineering, natural gas, and electricity, weldolet has advantages like firm connection, low leakage, and adaptability to harsh environments. Installation and maintenance are relatively simple, which improves efficiency and reduces costs. However, when using them, appropriate specifications and materials must be selected based on specific conditions and pipeline parameters to ensure performance and reliability.